Hi, my name is David. You're watching Blown Fuse Garage. Today we're going to be installing side markers on my 2003 Honda Civic. The tools I will be using are a rotary tool, a wire hanger, a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, wire crimpers, and wire strippers. First thing we're going to do is tape the template to your fender using the accent lines and fender edge lines. I will have a download link in the description for the side marker template. Next, we will use the rotary tool to cut out the hole for the side marker. Next, we will be making the harness for the side markers. First, take the wire and have it facing up like this, then install it into the connector. You will hear a click when it's fully seated. Push the plastic piece onto the connector, which will also click when it's fully seated. Now we can plug in the socket and bulbs to the connector. Next, use 3 feet of 18 gauge wire with a butt connector and connect it to each wire of your side marker harness. Next, tape the end of the harness to the wire hanger. Remove these clips from the fender liner. Next, insert the wire hanger through this hole. Push the hanger through and have it exit this hole. This next step will be the same for the driver and passenger side. Use a quick connector to attach the side marker harness to the 3-pin connector for the turn signal. Attach one wire of the side marker harness to the red wire of the 3-pin connector for the turn signal harness. Use the other wire from the side marker harness and attach it to the green wire of the 3-pin connector for the turn signal harness. Next, test out the side markers and make sure they turn on with the turn signals and parking lights.